I'm in my favourite place in the world and I've got the beautiful Mallorca mountains behind me, but don't worry, I'm not going to preach to you about how many holidays you should be taking each year or show you pictures of extravagant golf courses. Although I did play a pretty killer crazy golf course last night where my daughter, who's 7 years old, beat me 3 times in a row. But what I am going to talk to you about is something that I am really passionate about. I'm really fortunate my role allows me to spend time with a lot of property and finance professionals, and I absolutely love it. They're both industries I love working in, and even after many years I still get a buzz that comes from increasing the number of sales our clients achieve. I also get a chance to peek into the lives of businesses, our property stream and finance stream members, which gives me a great insight into what makes them tick and what gets them stuck. Maybe things are humming along nicely for you right now, but if they're not, I thought I'd share how to get unstuck and out of any rut you find yourself in. Now I think probably the most important one for me is go back to basics. Why should anyone use you rather than your competitors? When you re-articulate this and redefine your message, that will not only give you an increased confidence, but it also help you hone your marketing message more effectively. Now, second on the list for me is please don't do it alone. Marketing isn't easy, and you'll often find the best marketing campaigns have had scores of people involved in the creation as opposed to just one. Now, number 3 on the list is talk to someone who motivates you. Often it's hard to consistently motivate yourself, which is why having trusted people around you to re-energise you and hold you account is absolutely crucial. If you'd like some support on your journey, my private clients membership is available to anyone. Please give us a shout if you're interested.